Application. One Apple App, Management, Backend. Let's go to Applications. Log into your EasyControl portal. Go to Applications, Apple App Management. Click Choose File. Upload the previously downloaded content token file. Enter the notification email address. And click Upload Token to view the content token information. To sync Apple Store app, navigate to Application App Store and click the Sync Apple Store Apps button on the right to sync all apps purchased by the user. 3. Silent Install. Select one or more applications in the application list and click. Enter the Push app page. Check one or more device groups according to requirements. Click to complete the push and return to the page of Applications. The app will be pushed to the devices in the corresponding device group. Select a device group on the left. Check the application in the list and click Silent Install. Or Silent Uninstalled. Select the device group and check the application. Click Silent Uninstall. The device will immediately perform the silent uninstall operation after receiving the instructions. 5. Remove. Select the device group and check the application. Click Remove. The system will immediately remove the application in the application list of the device group.